For Copenhagen Week, we've invited companies from Silicon Valley to Singapore to Tokyo to use some of the largest mobility data sets that Greater Copenhagen has to offer. We're using mobility data from the Copenhagen card and also from Northern European's largest street festival called Distortion. We've invited 6 teams, about 25 people, to come and experience the festival, and then afterwards for a 48-hour hack inside a ballroom in the center of Copenhagen, where the goal is to create solutions with their AI platforms that can increase the safety and enrich the experience for tourists and festival goers alike in Greater Copenhagen.
The Nordics are extremely connected. There's a lot of open data. There's a lot of innovation in this part of the world. And for people like us who need this open data to be able to do the stuff that we do, it just seems like a no-brainer.
I think the fact that the Nordic countries seem to be really on top of collecting data puts you miles ahead of other countries as well with the quality of the information that can be used for drawing in insights and I suppose be used for good, used for safety.
I was really impressed with the infrastructure and the support from the government and different institutions. So I've rarely seen it that there's so many different parts of the country working together to set up something like an AI hub in the country.
In 2018, the European Union again ranked Denmark as the most digitized country out of all the 28 member states, and we have a lot to offer tech companies. Denmark is a world leader in the openness of its data and in the transparency of its statistics, according to Open Data Watch again this year. Our ambition is that Denmark becomes a first mover in becoming a global hub where we can co-create AI solutions for our citizens and society with private companies.